Hello students, welcome you all in math class with a new chapter 8 polynomials. In polynomial, first of all, I am discussing you about what are polynomials. See here, all of you have learned about the algebraic expressions of these types. Means in the last year in class 7th you have listened about y square, 2y, 3x cube, x 5, 1 upon x square. These are the algebraic terms. But now we are learning about the polynomials, means in which we write these algebraic terms with the addition and subtraction signs. Now first of all, what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable means y or x and y are variable, are non-negative integer. Exponent means degree, these 2, or you can say this power 3, this power 5, these are the exponents. But x and y here are the variables, means are non-negative integers, means positive. Non-negative means positive integers is called a polynomial. And then these are the examples of polynomial. But now I am discussing about in 3 examples which are polynomials and which are not polynomials. Listen student, here if the exponent is positive, then we can say this is a polynomial. Means here y power 2, y square, here power is 1. Then we can say is a polynomial. This is a form of simple polynomial in variable y. Now in the next example, it is x power 3 minus 3x power minus 3, or you can say 3x power minus 2 we can write here. This is a negative power here. When the power is negative, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Means in polynomial, we cannot take any negative degree or any negative exponent. Now thirdly, here we see this power is positive, this exponent is positive, but here I have written 1 upon x square, means x power minus 2. If we reciprocate it, it becomes x power minus 2. So this power is negative, so it is not a polynomial again. So only a polynomial is in which all the variables having exponent, positive exponent, then it is a polynomial, otherwise it is not a polynomial. Good morning student. In today's session, again I am teaching you about the polynomials, chapter 8 and worksheet 2. Listen me carefully. In this we will learn about the division. How can we divide a monomial by a monomial? Monomial means one term only. A polynomial which contain one term. How can we divide a monomial by a monomial? Here you will see I have written some question on the blackboard. So you will see here question number 1, second part I have written here. It is minus 35x power 4 by minus 7x cube. Means we have to divide it. How can we divide it? Write is as, in the solution you will write it as minus 35x power 4 upon minus 7x cube. It is equal to, cut minus with minus, you know 7 5 the 35, and it becomes x power 4, and in the exponent chapter we have learned in the denominator if we take the power, in the numerator we subtract it. Means powers are in the division, so we will subtract it, it becomes 5x. So your answer will become 5x. In the same third part is here. First of all, we know the factors of 25. It is 5 into 5. But if we see the factors of 5, it becomes under root 5 into under root 5. So here we will use in the solution minus 5z square upon under root 5z as under root 5 into under root 5 z into z, and upon under root 5z. Minus sign put here. It is equal to cut this under root 5 with under root 5. It is equal to z with z. again we will get answer -5 in square root sign and z. So you know कि any number have two factors. Suppose a has two factor under root a into under root a. 9 has two factor 3 into 3 form. So we can make the factorization like this and we can divide. Now in the sixth part it is here. In the solution you will write it as 3 by 4 p square division 4 by 3 p square. Or we can write it as 3 by 4 p square multiply 3 by 4. You can say here it is 4 by 3. So we can write it as, or you can write it as in the upon sign 4 by 3 p square. Now 3 by 4 p square और मल्टीप्लाई में p स्क्वायर से p स्क्वायर कट होगा. जब आपके ये दो टर्म्स आएंगे तो ये क्या आ जाएगा यहां से मल्टीप्लाई 3 by 4 इट बिकम्स 9 by 16. So you can do division of monomial by a monomial. Some of the questions I have given the answers here, so you can do it from here. Now the second part is divide the polynomial by a monomial. Divide the polynomial by a monomial. Polynomial means which contain more than one term. Polynomial means any number of terms it can contain. So question number 2 is here. Divide a polynomial by a monomial. So here I am giving a solution of first part is 6x power 4 minus 24. 6x power 4 minus 24x cube. It is in standard form here. Plus 15x square plus 9 upon minus 3x square. Write in the division sign here. Now we can write it separately as 6x power 4 upon minus 3x square minus 24x cube upon minus 3x square. Or you can write here minus sign here plus 15x square upon minus 3x square plus 9 upon minus 3x square. Okay, first of all write it as, then see the division 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. It becomes x power 4 or x power 2. 4 minus 2 2, power will be subtracted. Here minus minus plus. 3 8 ja 24, again subtract 3 minus 2, power subtract करेंगे it becomes x. Again plus minus minus 3 5 ja 15, it becomes 5. यहाँ 3 है, यहाँ पर कितना आएगा 3 5 जा 15, x स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा. प्लस माइनस माइनस 3 3 जा 9, it becomes 3 upon x square. It is the division of a polynomial by a monomial. I am giving one more answers here. Suppose I am taking a fourth part here. See the fourth part. The fourth part is again in the solution form. I am writing here fourth part in the solution form. Write it as 2 upon under root 2 q power 4 upon minus 2 under root 2 q square plus 4 under root 2 q cube upon minus 2 under root 2 q square plus q square upon minus 2 q square. You have firstly written the question here. Now see the step here. Firstly we will write separate term as. In polynomial it is a single polynomial but we write it as in this form कि हर एक polynomial की term को आप monomial से divide करते हुए लिखिए. Then you will write it as, cut this with this, it becomes minus q square because power here is 5 4, here is 2, 4 minus 2 2, again plus minus minus 2 2 ja 4, again cut this, it becomes 2 cube, again plus minus minus q square cut with this, it becomes 2 under root 2. So this is the answer. Okay, see it again with the previous question number 3 is here. The same worksheet 2. Divide using long division method. Now what is the difference between the previous methods and the long division method? First of all, in the long division method, in solution you will write the polynomial in standard form. As it is not given in standard form, so we will write in standard form, that is in the decreasing order of their degrees. Here degree is 4, degree is 3, degree is 1, which is not written, and it is minus 4, a constant term. So now we will divide using the long division method. This is the sign of long division method, and we will divide it same as minus 8x cube plus 12x minus 4 by 2x square. We have to divide it by 2x square in question number 3, first part. How can we divide it here? So first of all, we know 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6. Because what we have to do, we have to make the same number here. Multiply this 2x square by 3x square to make it as 6x power 4. In first step आप इसको डिवीजन साइन में ऐसे लिखेंगे. सेकेंड स्टेप में आपने क्या करना है, ये पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है, आपको एक पॉजिटिव नंबर बिल्कुल इसको ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हुए यहाँ बनाना है, और हम इसको क्या लिखेंगे, ये यहाँ पर क्वोशंट में 3x स्क्वायर, कि वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय 3x स्क्वायर, इट इज 6x पावर 4. नाउ कुछ स्पेस छोड़िए यहाँ पर, बोथ आर पॉजिटिव. हम डिवीजन में क्या करते हैं, इन द लॉन्ग डिवीजन अगर आप देखते हैं यहाँ पर हम 15 को 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, 2 7 जा 14, और आपके पास यहाँ पर क्या होता है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं आप 1 आता है, और यहाँ क्या लिखते हैं, क्वोशंट में 7, रिमाइंडर में 1. सेम यहाँ पर साइन चेंज करेंगे, ये पॉजिटिव है, ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, कट इट हेयर एंड रिमाइंडर बिकम्स नथिंग. कैरी डाउन द नेक्स्ट हेयर, इट इज माइनस 8x क्यूब. आपने इसको कैरी डाउन कर लिया यहाँ पर. नाउ माइनस के साइन से लेंगे क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव है, तो आपको यहाँ पर क्या लेना है, नेगेटिव नंबर ही लेना है. तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा आपके पास, इट इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ माइनस लगाइए. अब इसको 8x क्यूब बनाना है, 2x स्क्वायर को आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई विद माइनस 4x, ये बन जाएगा आपके पास 8x क्यूब. तो यहाँ पर आप क्या लिखेंगे, माइनस 8x क्यूब, यहाँ साइन चेंज होगा, ये माइनस है तो ये क्या आ जाएगा प्लस, अगेन कट डाउन इट. नाउ कैरी द नेक्स्ट, इट इज 12x. नाउ मेक इट 2x स्क्वायर है 12x. 2x स्क्वायर जो है यहाँ पर पावर ग्रेटर देन x है, तो ये आपका कुछ नहीं होगा, इसको लीव इट एज, और माइनस 4 भी यहाँ छोड़ेंगे, तो आपके पास क्या आएगा यहाँ से, ये आएगा माइनस 4x. तो क्वोशंट इज इक्वल टू 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x एंड रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू 12x माइनस 4. कि लॉन्ग डिवीजन इज सेम एज द लॉन्ग डिवीजन विद द नंबर्स, लेकिन आपके पास क्या है, यहाँ पर टर्म्स में x पावर 4 वेरिएबल्स आर हियर, तो यू विल डू इट विद दिस, कि आपने इस डिवाइजर को ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि आपका सेम जो डिविडेंड में दिया हुआ है ये सेम आपके पास बनता चला जाए, और अगर रिमाइंडर आपके पास रहता है तो यू विल राइट इट एज द रिमाइंडर एंड दिस इज द क्वोशंट.